Facebook ads. Everyone is familiar with Facebook, but do we all understand how to get the most out of Facebook advertising? We've become so accustomed to going through Facebook and seeing ads that we almost don't see them, which is an excellent weapon for marketers. So the question on your mind should be, how can I put Facebook advertisements to work for my business and receive a positive return on investment? In this video, we will be looking at everything about Facebook advertising, how it works, and how to build a good Facebook marketing advertisement. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. It's almost impossible to ignore Facebook's reach. With roughly 3 billion active users, Facebook advertising is seen by a large number of individuals regularly. On the topic of targeted marketing, reach is only one aspect of the picture. Successful marketing does not get to everyone, instead, it reaches the right people. And this is where Facebook comes in handy. Facebook is practically unrivaled when it comes to precise targeting. It has a wealth of information about its users, allowing advertisers to target the appropriate people with the correct message. This capacity to precisely target specific groups of people attracts roughly 10 million active advertisers and generates $28.6 billion in revenue for Facebook each quarter. Facebook advertising is now available in a variety of formats. You can advertise your page, its content, user behaviors, or even your website. Despite Facebook's increased focus on native ads and keeping customers on the platform, you may still drive traffic to your website. Images, videos, carousels, instant experiences, and collections are among the ad forms available. Users are targeted with Facebook ads based on their location, demographics, and profile data. Many of these features are exclusive to Facebook. So, you select a budget and bid for each click or 1,000 impressions that your ad receives after producing it. Users will see your adverts in the Facebook sidebar or their newsfeed as a result. Our first goal as marketers is to increase traffic to our websites. Building a Facebook following is excellent, but when you get someone to your website, you have complete control over the medium, giving you the best opportunity of achieving your objectives. While Facebook's other ad alternatives are lovely for building engagement and brand visibility, direct response advertisers hoping to generate a sale should stick to advertising that drives consumers off-site. Facebook advertising has a lot of potentials, but it's not as simple as writing some material and waiting for the sales to roll in. To get Facebook ads properly, you'll need to take a systematic approach and do a lot of testing until you find the best technique. Here are 4 pointers to assist you in improving the effectiveness of your Facebook marketing campaigns. 1. Target your Facebook ads. The issue is that many businesses do not use the targeting options. They believe that more is better, but the most important thing is to get your products or services in front of the people who need them the most. The most common mistake marketers make with Facebook advertising is not effectively targeting them. You can target users similar to your best customers using demographics and custom or lookalike audiences. Retargeting ads are also used to target individuals who interacted with your page or went to your website. You can target people on Facebook based on their age, gender, interests, connections, relationship status, languages, education, and workplaces. 2. Include photographs. Facebook is primarily a visual platform. The images are one of the most crucial aspects of your Facebook ads. So, even if you write the most creative copy, you may not get any clicks if your pictures don't catch a user's attention. Remember to avoid using low-quality photos, generic stock photography, or photographs gotten illegally. Use your logo only if you're a well-known brand. 3. Write excellent copy. Users will read your ad text after seeing your image. Earn their clicks by selling them on your product or service. You may still utilize the renowned copywriting formula IDA despite the 40-character headline and 125-character body text restrictions. 4. Follow the Facebook ads bidding best practices. Like any other ad network, strategic bidding can mean the difference between a successful campaign and one that fails. Following the creation of your ad, Facebook will offer a bid range. Set your bid near the low end of this range when you're just getting started. Your CTR will fast influence the amount of money you'll have to pay for traffic. Your proposed bids will fall if your CTR is high. But if it is low, you'll have to pay extra for each click. Continually improve your CTR by optimizing your advertising and targets. 5. For your Facebook ad, create a landing page. The registration form or email submit box that you'll track as a conversion should also be on the landing page. Keep your landing pages as minimal as possible. Don't overwhelm people with choices. Instead, provide them with the information they need to make an informed decision while encouraging them to choose one. Show visitors the benefits of signing up for your newsletter, or give them a free present in exchange for their email address. 6. Remember to keep an eye on the results of your Facebook ad. Facebook Ads Manager delivers a wealth of information on how people respond to your ads. When users visit your website though, it doesn't provide the same level of information, so you'll need to use a program like Google Analytics. You can easily keep track of how traffic from your Facebook advertisements interacts with your site by tagging your links using Google's URL Builder or your tracking tags. This will allow you to assess the effectiveness of your adverts based on factors such as lead generation, sales volume, and total revenue. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.